Swell mapping is all about setting the right energy levels for this specific break. Every break has its own mapping of kilojoules to wave size. So what you're going to do here is map the strength of the swell to the corresponding sizes of the wave at that specific break and what your corresponding stoke level is. So let's start with the swell strength here, measured in kilojoules, which is going to allow us to measure multiple swells in the water. If you're not familiar with the kilojoule number, that's all right. We have example swell readings here to help guide you. So, for example, 1,500 kilojoules is about a 5.7 foot swell at 16 seconds or an 11-foot swell at 8 seconds. So you can click to increase. Say, for example, this break maxes out when it's 6 feet at 16 seconds or stronger. So that's about 1,700 kilojoules. That's going to let your swell hawk know that it's maxed out with that level of energy. So you can also drag these for easier adjustment and set these accordingly. The next thing that's important to know is your stoke level here. So if it's maxed out at 1,700, then you're not going to surf. But if you like big waves, and it's big between about 4.5 feet to 6 feet at 16 seconds, aka 1,000 to 1,700 kilojoules, then you're super stoked. You can set super stoked here. Or if you don't like big waves, you can say anything from I won't surf this to not that stoked if it's too big. So maybe it's too big in this range for me. I'm not that stoked. But I really like moderate and small waves. In that case, I can adjust the energy level here for what will bring moderate waves and adjust the energy level here for what I consider to be small. And let's say I really like small and moderate waves. I can set that to super stoked. And for very small, I'm still okay. Maybe I'm taking the longboard out. If it's flat, obviously I won't surf. If it's maxed out, I won't surf. And now we have a mapping both of the swell energy to what the waves will be like at this specific break, and to what my stoke level will be like when the waves are at this level. And we'll have other functions as well to allow you to refine this as you go check the surf or have sessions and log what you're seeing on the ground versus the swell coming in, so we can further refine your preferences and get your swell hawk in tip-top shape.